Peter Stormare feeds Buscemi into woodchipper. Fargo. When William H. Macy hires Peter Stormare and Steve Buscemi to kidnap his wife to extort money from his father-in-law,
then we pump those profits back into the profit cycle to generate even more profits. And I know what you're going to say. Profits? Yes, Stan. You're soaking in them. Thoughts? Dude.
things go wrong and people end up dead, bringing pregnant Frances McDormand to investigate.
Dead or alive, you are coming with me.
I know you. You're dead. We killed you!
Leading her to Macy, who BS's her before trying to get $1 million from his father-in-law.
I've got a little proposition for you.
I'm all ears.
I will pay you $1 million to sleep with your friend here. $1 million, one night, cash.
But he refuses and delivers it himself, eating a bullet for refusing to give it up.
Bitch shot me! You gotta take me to the hospital! You know I can't do that, Jimmy! I'm dying, bro! You ain't gonna die, say it! I'm all shot up, man! You ain't gonna die! Say the freaking word!
Buscemi hides the money, then dies haggling over a car.
Introducing the Scion TC! The bold, sleek styling is all like cacao, but the 2.4-liter dual overhead cam engine with 160 horsepower is all like cacao! The Scion TC, Burrow, it's what moves you!
Only to be fed into the woodchipper before McDormand shoots and arrests Stormare.
Who you calling a psycho?
I didn't say anything to you.
Worth watching for John Carroll Lynch.
I'll fix you some eggs.
It's okay, hon. I gotta run.
You gotta eat a breakfast, Marge. I'll fix you some eggs.
Hon, you can sleep.
You gotta eat a breakfast.